Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 Pro and I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this Smartband. So let's get started. If you want to change the straps on your Smartband, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your Smartband, flip it around, and on the back of the Smartband you will see that on each side of the Smartband next to the straps you have these buttons, and to remove the Smartband but the strap, you need to press on the button and then pull out the strap, because this is the locking mechanism. And if you press on it, I don't know if you can see it, I'm pressing on it, then I can pull out the strap. Quite simple, like this. And now we have our straps and our band. And once you get new straps and you want to put them on, it's also quite simple. You grab the strap, you grab the Smartband, you just insert it, and once it clicks in, it will hold. And you inserted it right here in the holes on the Smartband, and we have the pins on the strap, and you can just insert them, and once it clicks, it's good. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on the Smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video, and see you in the next one.